Okay, good day everyone. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is papalitan natin yung table name kanina. By default, naka W3 school siya. So, ang gagawin natin is tatanggalin nyo lang. Just give it a new name which is customers. Actually, hindi na pala new names. Yan yung default kanina. Tapos, all you have to do is lagyan nyo lang ng check yung primary key, not null, then auto increment. Okay? So, kapag ka na-checkan nyo na yan, wala na kayong babaguhin pa, just click apply. And maghintayin ka lang kayo ng mga ilang seconds, then automatic ma-alter na yung table natin. So, from nothing, wala siyang mga restriction, wala itong PK, NN, saka yung AI. So, what will happen? Okay? So, that's it for the day. Thank you, and bye-bye.